good, good, good. Jesus.
Y'all go subscribe, bro. Tap in, bro.
Look at my baby. She looks so good, y'all.
Nigga, y'all know who the fuck it is, man. It's your boy Tay the Movie, bro. We back at it again, man. We back with another fucking what?
Bangers. Yo, she look good, y'all.
She knew the assignment. Real 4K right here. That boy
In the cave.
You feel me?
Okay, period.
I'm hungry, bro. I ain't eating my burger.
I'm finna ask her. Period, y'all. Your girl is literally just sitting here rolling up. I'm in the city. I'm supposed to be going outside tonight. I'm not sure. We gonna see, cause I don't really care where we going.
Like that.
Let's roll up. I'm see y'all when we fucking doing something. Here y'all, got my girl.
You got Mrs. Mike in the building, yeah.
What you say, baby? I ain't no scary ass bitch. I'm a hoe. Bitch, I ain't never gave a fuck. All my bad bitches too.
Y'all, we going back to the car. It's the fucking, I don't know what time it is, god damn it. I think it's like almost 2 o'clock. Yeah, it's almost 2 o'clock. Your girl is drunk off that Dolio acting the fucking fully.
Drunk as a bitch.
Yeah, that's what I was just telling them. Literally just telling them that I was drunk as hell.
Lit as a bitch, goddamn.
Yeah, getting in the car at this point. My ass, bro, I might have got too drunk. Oh, too drunk. Like, I'm trying to tell y'all. I gotta put my little jacket on and everything. Like, and then, oh God. Y'all was in that bitch turn. Ain't even gonna lie. Voice gone, like everything about everything. And like you would think like, yeah, I look cute, but like, you know when you just know you could just stepped a little harder. I could have stepped a little harder. But y'all, my face really has like hives all on my cheeks and on my nose and stuff. Like I really cannot do the whole makeup thing at all. I'ma just go ahead and back up because I know she about to. Yo, like, bro, fuck. You're like retarded. Oh God. Oh God. Fuck. This is so dumb. What is going on, y'all? Okay, because I forgot I was still recording. I'm drunk and I missed the turn and now I'm not behind Mo. Oh, this is what happens when you're off of fucking alcohol. Me and him, we eat our food.
Goddamn.
This is what it's looking like. Walking out, sitting down, eating crust. Your girl, I don't even know what's going on. I don't know. I really am tired. And like...
Boy, I'm sleep so goddamn good.
Yes. Yes. I'm ready to go to sleep. I've had a night, y'all. And my hair is like still intact. I thought the whole bun was about to be gone off the head at one point. Everybody kept pushing me, shit. I was ready to run into the ass like a bull. Bro. Yeah, it was crowded because like stadium small. What's good, y'all? Your girl is in the bed, okay? Y'all, I look so crazy. I'm drunk still, goddamn it. I ate though, and yeah, I felt good. And what else do I gotta say? Nothing. Shit, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's your girl. Yeah. Good night. What's good, vlog? Good morning. Good. Your girl is up. You know, looking well, feeling well. Smell good, look good. What they say? We up. What time is it? I didn't even look at the time. Where did I just put my, oh. Never mind. It's 9:34 in the morning. Your girl is not getting up right now. But, we gonna get up soon. I got shit to do today, actually. But, heard something about a pool. Said I put me in the mood to go to a pool. And then, I gotta go get a bathing suit. So I gotta go to the store and buy a bathing suit. And then, might as well go to the store and get some outfits. I don't know. Today is the day where you just fill it with something to do. So, it just sounds like shop.
I've been so long, we're doing what they say? It's to me, you are the star of the show still.
Y'all, love you.
So bright. Oh, I be putting mine on. Yeah, don't care. I'm gonna get a good video, but it's necessary.
Y'all, I don't know what I want. Let me get into it. Alright, let me do fish and wingettes. 2 fish, 5 wingettes. Yeah. And my size, where the size at? Mac and cheese. And hold on. I'm just going fries. I ain't even gonna do too much. Let me just get fries. Y'all just ordered my food. shit about the bus. I'm kind of tired. Like, I did wake up this morning with a lot of energy. Like, I was up and restless. Like, couldn't stop moving. But
Who is this?
I went back to sleep. That little nappy nap. I was good. My hair looks so terrible, y'all. And I got this big ass bow on the top of my head with these leggings on. Y'all, me and your girl. Me and my girl Mo. We're about to wait on our food. That's what we're doing.
Yeah.
Oh, I need to call Vic.
I know damn well today is gonna be another good day, y'all, cause like the sun is shining. The sun is shining. No clouds are in the sky, so that means it's not even thinking about raining. Her ass is shaking.
And it's fat.
So that means these bitches ain't even thinking about coming near, like, coming near us today. Like, we're just unbotheredly having a great life right now, you know? At all costs, doing what the fuck we wanna do. Yeah,
You get.
yeah, I'm definitely gonna find me a sugar daddy. Cause I need these trips funded. You heard me? These trips. Bye, y'all. What do I get?
Y'all
Y'all, these my friends, y'all. No, for real. I got 2 wings.
That's right.
You did? What you get?
She just
Okay, okay.
you wanted that joke good too.
Okay, period. Ain't it? She said that. Yo.
They never do.
Yeah.
Never do.
Fuck them.
Fuck them.
That's all. She gonna get with it in a minute.
She gonna get with it, cause she
gonna
gonna
get
figure out that these niggas ain't doing a damn
ain't
thing.
a motherfucker.
A damn thing.
That's what
Guys, look. So good. Period. Is it good?
They're seasoned.
Oh yeah. Let me jump in. Oh my god. Mac and cheese, y'all. Hawaiian roll. Fish, Emma just got ready. We're about to take shots to enjoy our day. Yeah, I know. And y'all see what I'm looking like. Very much is giving natural. Shit, I ain't got nothing on my face right now.
But a lash.
Yeah, but a lash, literally.
Are you ready, bitch?
Yes, I am ready.
Ooh. Oh, shit.
Hold on. You know, you seen the TikTok where their fucking cup smashed in their hands?
Yes.
Yeah.
It's cold. That's all here.
Damn.
Damn, we gotta go 2 for 2. Come on.
Bad influence, y'all. Here I go. Okay. No, damn well that shit was nasty. Y'all, it ain't worse than fluoride on your teeth after the dentist done. Cause that fluoride, that shit was worse than this.
That shit
Almost
nasty.
threw up, yeah.
Don't drink no
that
orange
shit.
juice after going to the dentist. Oh my god.
Can't drink shit. But this,
What the hell?
you can beat eating a lime after you just drunk some shit.
Nah, for
Cause
real.
now this tastes really
I
good.
think my. I'm gonna go 3 for 3. Let's get the day going.
Exactly.
It's already 5 o'clock. We late. We've been chilling today. No cap. Oh shit. It's my chop over there. It's over there. Kinsley, say what's up to the vlog.
Let's do
3
this.
for 3. Pull it down some. Yeah. You sucking the fuck out that line, yo.
Damn.
It's so good.
Yeah. We shouldn't have gave her no shots.
I wanted a lime though. I mean a lemon. A lemon be good too.
No, your ass weird. You and my damn siblings, they be tearing them shits up, yo.
They do be
Mouth
good.
be twanging. I can't do it.
Alright.
Let
me get the
stethoscope.
Steph.
Just
Steph?
no, like Stephanie. Stethoscope.
Oh,
Steph.
Steph.
No, hold on. Stethoscope.
Stethoscope.
Bow.
Okay.
I was saying with stethoscope. Weird shit at first too.
Yeah, no, my hungering is really like I couldn't even get it, y'all. And it's funny that I started the vlog like this, y'all know, cause I was trying to figure it out. But this is what we doing.
I got some.
This is what we doing. We about to roll up, and then we about to go into this canal. What is it?
We can go to the rocks, but this is just. We just got free parking because I'm tired of paying for Richmond parking. That shit is bogus. No. Alright, but
y'all,
finna get a
I'm
free
gonna say
show.
we low key right now. We're matching like we're in like a theme.
We are
Black.
a bad bitch theme.
That's the theme, y'all.
Real bad bitch.
Yeah, if you're not a part of the theme, then what the fuck?
We like I don't know how many shots in.
Yeah, no. At this point, we took like 4 or 5.
4 or 5, yeah. Because we took 3 at the house.
Yeah.
3 or 4 at the house.
We took 1.
1. So we 4 in. No, because we took 3 at the house.
3?
Yeah.
No, I think you said 4. This our 4th. What did you say?
No, because I think I was just wrong. We took 3 at the house because I said 2 for 2, and I was like, all right, come on, we just gonna do 1 more.
Oh yeah, okay.
And then we took the one in the car because
oh God,
you didn't
and
bring
then
the
right
other
now,
one.
y'all.
Oh yeah,
and
bitch,
then,
that's enough.
And then we think we about to go walk.
Is about to walk.
That's
about to be
no,
over there.
that's the kill. That's the kill, y'all. We should have did this at the Rock.
Yeah. Well, maybe save that for the Rock.
Okay. Yeah.
And the blunt. We can save both.
Yeah,
for the Rock.
before we even get to the Rock, let me get to the Rock.
Right, because we ain't gonna make it to the Rock.
I'm trying to tell you, like, it's hot.
No bullshit.
Okay. And we got no water. No water, Sandy. Water.
Face ass. You want me to roll a butt naked? A butt naked, or you want some grabber?
Yeah.
You old strong chest ass.
Yes, grab.
Fucking
please.
shit. That shit
Please
gonna grab
me.
me up. No bullshit.
Y'all, why was we thinking alike? Bro, please grab me.
It's not a choice. It's not a choice.
Alright, y'all, we outside. Y'all know me and the goddamn bridges. I'm scared.
No, we don't have to go that way.
But like, y'all see.
So y'all see.
Y'all see it.
Probably like, she look like she going to the club walking. Hey, I'm outside.
No, fact.
I'm alive.
Outside.
Are we?
Yeah, we are outside. Look at the bridge.
Look at the bridge.
Look at the bridge. Oh, this is what it gives. That shit hard. Over here. Here you go, adding me to another car. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna see when we get on here. This is so pretty. Y'all see it.
Do you think if I stood on top of that sewer thing, those pictures would be bad?
Not bad.
I feel like we should try it.
I think you should do it because
this pussy that good, I swear. Made him fuck up his re-up and he still care. I'm just a real bad bitch. Now I'm too solid, I'm a real bad bitch. Oh, so phony, got me looking at him sideways.
You guys, we are walking this little strip. And we are at Carytown. And we are going into Sweet Frog. We're here. I'm weak.
This is no public, so, but you...
Damn. Well, pretty nice. We're going to the bathroom real quick, but we're about to get some sweet frog.
No bullshit. I'm so excited.
You guys, I'm about to get strawberry. What did I have? No, strawberry shortcake. I had strawberry shortcake last time. This one, it was so good. And I think she told me to get cake batter. And then, y'all, all I do is like fruity stuff, so like Fruity Pebbles.
Like Fruity Pebbles.
That's so good.
Where's the peanuts?
Remember last time they only had those big ass peanuts in your
I
mouth?
don't even see those.
Ooh, waffle cones. Yeah, I might put a little bit of waffle cones. Just cause. The crunch be that. And then the Fruity Pebble. I'm so drunk. Honestly, y'all. I don't even care. Bro, I can't even. I want.
What you get? Cheesecake with Fruity Pebbles and shit? It's good.
And this is cake batter and strawberry cheesecake.
Oh, I got
with
cake batter.
Fruit Pebbles and waffle cones. Yum. I'm like this. I'm looking at my bowl. Yeah, y'all, this strawberry cheesecake and cake batter. Make sure y'all get them and let me know. with the waffle cones and the Fruity Pebbles, extra Fruity Pebbles. What's good, y'all? Let me see what time. 3 o'clock in the fucking morning. Your girl is chilling. I don't know when the last time y'all seen me, but me and Mo got home. She got down in the kitchen. She ate. I ate the rest of my food from earlier. And we took a fucking nap. We were supposed to get back up and go to this little, I don't know, event or whatever. But the event ended up being dry anyway. So I'm glad we overslept. Then, I don't know, I didn't do nothing else after that. Now I'm just in the bed. I'm weak. I'm about to go to sleep. I enjoyed my day. It's been a long day off that Don Julio. God damn it. You feel me? So you want to say good night to the vlog?
Make sure y'all like and subscribe. Thanks for more videos. Subscribe to me. She loves Tatooine. So that's no cap. And yeah, we out.
Good night. Good morning, you guys. It's your girl. I'm weak. Today is the next day, Sunday, June 2nd. I can't believe July is next month. That's crazy. I feel like this year's going by fast. But today, I ain't doing shit. The sun ain't even shining. I ain't doing nothing today. When I do get up and get ready and figure this shit out, then I'll let y'all know. And I'll be back on here. Here, y'all. I'm in a rainbow. Looking at these clothes. I see a whole bunch of clothes I like. For real, but I don't need them, y'all. I'm just looking, okay? Just looking. Like, these is cute. I might actually get this. They got it in yellow. I love yellow. Like, there's so many things my ass wanted to pick up, but yeah, I'm hot as fuck. But your girl just arrived to Tropical Cafe. Y'all see it. I'm about to go in here and get me some food. Well, I don't really want food from here. Like, y'all don't know where I want food from. Like, I want some good ass food. Like, think for real, I think it's giving like Jamaican food, but like, I don't know. I don't know. I'm such a soul food kind of girly this week. Like, I just want like chicken and shit. I don't know what I want like right now. Like, if I go to Tropical Cafe, there's plenty of sandwiches and stuff. Like, I can easily get me chicken and cheese quesadilla. But, like, what's a good place I do like Philly cheese? Like, I'm gonna figure it out, y'all. I'm ready to just go ahead and get me a smoothie though. And we gonna see. Yeah, I just ordered my food. I'm mad because nobody told me I had this shit on my fucking plate. But I just ordered my food. There is a dude in here. He is so cute. Y'all, he's working big. I ain't say nothing. Y'all know I need to stop saying shit to you. But like, I mean, how else am I gonna ever meet him again? I'm so weak. Y'all see my pictures on Facebook? So cute. That's my face. I took this video. Super cute. Thank you. It's so good. Taste test real quick. I just finished my food. I don't know where I'm about to go now. It's 2:42. Y'all, I'm sitting here fucking struggling. I'm weak. Like, I literally just did all of that to get my camera up here. And then I'm sitting here trying to fucking get this goddamn pencil open. Because y'all know I lost my lip liner. So I just bought another one because I'm not gonna keep looking for shit, y'all, that be replaceable. But you know, when you just buy the shit, like, I just bought this shit and I'm already having to replace it. But I got it, so I don't have nothing to worry about at this point. Oh, and then I have what's that shit? I had gotten strawberries. Oh, hell no. I had gotten strawberries from the place in here. And y'all know I just had an allergic reaction. Like, my hives on my face, them shits still aren't fucking gone. But it's okay, cause like I said, y'all, I ain't do shit today. I ain't do my hair. I ain't do... I heard my phone ringing. I ain't do my skin routine with like my exfoliating stuff, and then my vitamin E to like moisturize all the places that do feel dry. Like, it be hard. Oh, her dress is so cute. Y'all, I just made a post about this. Like, girls. Like, I love a girl's girl. Like, a girl who compliments you and really, like, really mean that shit. And not in no hating ass way. Like, Y'all know what I mean by a girl's girl. Like, I'm a girl's girl. Like, if I see you have a cute ass outfit on, I'm going to fucking say something. Because what? That's the right thing to do. And I really just disappointed myself because there's a worker in there and he is so cute. Like, so cute. But I learned to just chill. Like, I just feel like if the nigga wanted me, he would have said something. You feel me? Now I'm sitting here at the gas station getting gas. Just so I don't gotta do it in the morning before I go to work. I got 2 Propels and 2 Snickers ice cream. I was craving that ice cream. Alright, y'all, so I just got home. I'm in the house. I tried on my outfits, y'all, that I got from the beauty supply store. Look at him, first of all. So cute. This pink long dress. Got a slit at the bottom. Okay, it fits so perfect. And then this outfit, y'all, this fits so perfect too. Like, it fits so good. Like, And I think I'm about to go to that, I think it's like a foreign store. I don't know, you know, those little African stores or whatever. Get shop, thrift shop, I don't know. But go there and get me a fucking epitome syrup thing. So I can start being more hungry and gain more weight. Cause y'all, right now, I'm literally on a journey to gain weight. Just so I could be just big, you know? I see it now naturally, but like, I feel like I gotta do the next steps, my petting. I just put all my stuff up. Oh, well, not all of it. I still got one more bag. But I'm cleaning up all my stuff that I had over the weekend, or wore over the weekend. Putting everything in the washing machine. I ain't doing much, really. But this is the end of this weekend vlog because tomorrow I go to work and it's going to be a regular week for me until the next weekend. So I'm going to see y'all in the next video. If you like this video, make sure you like it, subscribe, comment if you want. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video.
Good, good, good. Jesus.